In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google Developer. Then launch it, hit Continue, tap on this switcher next to Allow Permission and click on those two lines at the top left corner. Then select Clean, tap on Clean under Junk Files and hit Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, storage of my Samsung was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!